I know you're an ICT trader, an SMC trader, a scalper, a day trader, whichever, yo. I know you see your fair value gaps, your break of structure, and then, yo, you take your entry. I don't have a problem with that. But, you know, just ignoring your trend line, guys, is something golden. You know, it's going to cost you. No, I don't want you to change your strategy, but please consider this. You know, do not skip this video, but please listen. Do not try to ignore trend line. Whether you're trading your support or demand type of a thing, but always consider adding your trend line. So today's video, I'm just going to show you how powerful trend line is. All right, so stick around. I'm just going to pick on any random pairs. All right, any random pair, and show you how powerful trend line is. So let me do blah 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 blah. Let's see. I hit on GBP AUD. Okay. All right. So let's get started. First things first, I'll do this. Okay. Then maybe let's hit our replay tool. Maybe somewhere around that level. All right, so let's say that is where market is, or the current price is. You just open your your trading view, and you found that that is where the market is. So the first thing you want to do, I know most of you trade your support or your demand thing, so let's go with that. Okay, so probably we might do this. Okay, we have that level as our demand zone, and right here is our supply zone. Okay, right now I believe most people will be taking their sell position because price has hit our supply zone. So what we should be doing is taking a sell, but ignoring trend is going to cost you. Okay, ignoring trend is going to cost you. Let me just show you. So now, when trying to draw your trends, guys, remember at least try to use the last two high or the last two low. Make sure that your trend passes through those levels. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. All right, so when I bring in my trend, so this is the first touch. Let's hit first touch, second touch, and now we've not have our third touch. Okay, so if we never had our first our third touch, that means there's a possibility that price is going to hit that third touch. Now, if you try to look at this market properly, you understand that right now the market is giving us a funny or a bullish structure. So there is no reason for me to take a sell position. Remember, we have our supply zone. Let me just name these levels. Just a minute. We have a supply. Come on. Just a minute, okay? We have our supply zone right there. And of course, we have our demand. So, something like this. I don't know, where is our supply? Okay. Let me just get that once again. Supply right here. And of course, below, we should have our demand zone. Come on, wow. What's wrong with trading view? Okay, so we have our demand right here. All right, so now, like I said before, most people who are trading the support and the demand zone or whichever strategy, you understand that, anytime price hits our supply, then we sell, and anytime the market hits our demand, we buy. So right now most people are already in sales. Okay, most people have already taken their sell position, but in real sense, guys, this is a bullish flag. Okay, this means that price is not yet ready to take a sell, or price not yet ready for a sell. Okay, price is still in a bullish or a continuation pattern, just to tell us that I'm not yet ready. I'm maybe targeting the last high, which is I'm targeting that resistance to give me the third touch. So let's see what the market did. You see, you understand? So most sales have been taken out. Okay, let's see. But remember, we've not made our entry. We understand that price is approaching that resistance line of ours, or that trend line of ours, to give us the third touch. Now on the third touch, that is where we should sell our position. Let's see. Right there. Now the market has hit that resistance. So from that level now, we understand that we should go to the lower time frame and maybe start looking for our sell position. All right. Now on the H1, once again, we bring in the trend. So let's do right there, and maybe something like this. Okay. All right. So that's another, no, that is now what I call trends within trends, or trends inside trends, guys. Do not forget about that. Also, now when we hit the 15, we will also have other trends. Okay, so let's do this. Now at the 15, we can see we also had another trend line right here, and kind of the market took out that trend. Okay, so if the market has already taken that level, we expect pullbacks, and now that is when, if we see a reversal, probably a double top or a head and shoulder, that is when now it's confirmed that we must execute our position. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what the market has done. Of course, we expect pullbacks. Let's see. The market went up. Okay, thank you. What if, okay, what if this level, okay, the market has given a higher high, higher low? What if the market wants to give us a head and shoulder? Probably the market gives me, maybe we should call this as a right shoulder, the left shoulder. Then the market gives me a head, then it comes down, goes back to give me a right shoulder. Then that is when it drops. Anticipation. Okay, but at the same time, we need to understand that there's this type of a play that this market is trying to give us. That's a bearish flag. So if we have a bearish flag, it means that our confirmation for sales are intact. So let's see what the market did. Let's just continue following along. Okay, the market broke, right? Since the market has broken, right, now we need to understand that this might be a neckline, like I said before, and probably we cut the head. So let's see. Now a break below, if the market or price takes out this support of ours, then now we should take our sell position, make our stop loss above, and let me just, of course, the last higher low was this level, so this should be our target. But at the same time, let's just do this. This should be our target, and at the same time, our first TP should be this level. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys are now keen. Okay, so if you do not understand this video, please rewind and rewatch and understand what the market is doing, or what we're talking about. Yeah, so let's see that if the market doesn't take out this level, then we not execute. Okay, let's see. H1, where are you? Oh yeah, it took that level. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's amazing. It's crazy. Oh, sorry. Okay, I don't know if, yeah, we hit it. How much? 264 pips. Being patient. All right, so that is the type of play that I'm trying to make sure that you guys understand. Make sure that you include your trends, please. You've seen that the market is full of manipulation. Okay, whether you're trading your support or a demand type of a trade, guys, make sure that you zoom in, understand what is this market telling us. Okay, understand the type of a trend that the market is giving us. Is there an uptrend? Is there a downtrend? Okay, at their highs and the lows that this market is trying to go back and respect. Okay, so if you have those type of confidence, then now you should be good to go. All right, so I hope you guys learned something from this short video, guys. And like I said before, if you do not understand this, please watch this video, and let me just continue showing you something, guys. So if this market gave us this type of a play, what if the market goes up, probably to give me a head and shoulder? That is when it continues and fills in that space. Okay, so let's see. The market is the market. It might go up for a retest. Let's see. Yeah, and we can see that is what the market did. Guys, understand the market. Understand the market, please. Understand the market, the pattern that the market is, like I said before, the market gives out blueprints. You see? So please subscribe to this channel. Check out the link, Telegram link in my description below. Telegram link, that is where I usually, I might give out free signal, but then I also have a VIP. So if you want to get premium content, then I'll hit me link in the description. So adios mi amigos, peace.